Let's talk about apostrophes today. Apostrophes are a small detail for your essay that can help you to get a better grade. You use an apostrophe for several reasons. One reason is to show possession or to show that a thing belongs to a noun. For example, the dog's leash. The apostrophe before the S shows that the leash belongs to the dog. If you're looking at a plural noun, then like teachers, there's more than one teacher, you have the apostrophe after the S. You also use apostrophes to form what we call contractions. That's when you take a word like do not and you make it the word don't. Now, if you're writing this for a college professor, some professors can be picky about using the full word do not instead of don't, so know what your professor thinks. Here are some examples of properly used apostrophes. There are other more difficult rules, but these are the basics.